Hey everyone, it's Ram here from Colourlock and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean and restore your leather seats using DIY products. And for damages like this, which is just a slight scuffed bolster, it can be very easily fixed using our DIY products. And I'm going to be showing you how. Right, so to fix this, we just need a small set of products. We've got this Colourlock Leather Fresh kit, which comes with a cleaner, the paint and the protector. Comes with a couple of sponges to apply the products and a cloth and a glove inside. And in addition to this, we're just going to need a couple of other products, which is a leather cleaning spirit, which is a degreaser, and a cleaning brush just to clean the leather. And that's all we need. Alright guys, so it's been a day since we've applied the dye and the paint, and we're now going to apply the protector. But before we do that, there's a couple of other things that I want to talk to you about, and that is mainly down to the durability of the repair, and how can you check that the repair that you've done is durable enough, it's going to last long. There's a couple of things you can do. One is called a dry rub test. So you just grab a clean dry cloth and just rub about 20 times to make sure, to see if you've got any color transfer. So that's what I'm going to do, right? And you can apply pressure as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, so I've applied quite a few rubs, and you can see there's hardly anything. There's a bit of scuff, but that's just the cloth that's gone a bit fluffy. But apart from that, there's nothing else. The other thing you can do is grab a masking tape, stick it to the leather to see, and just peel it off and see if that's removing the paint. So if the paint's not taken to the surface very well, what it'll do is the glue from the masking tape will literally just peel it off, right? So that's what you want to try. So you want to stick it nicely and just pull it out. And again, you can see there's virtually no color transfer. So those are a few little tricks that you can use during the repair to make sure that what you're doing is going to be durable, is going to last a long time. And if you've got that, you can rest assured that this is going to be a good job.
The exterior of this car is in really good condition. I think it's had a new paint job and probably just needs a clean and a polish. The scuffed driver's seat though was letting the car down, and fixing that was a fun little project. If you think this video was cool, give us a like, and please subscribe to the channel for more content. Leave your feedback on this video and let us know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see. Catch you all very soon.